To install the winch kit on your RZR Pro R or Pro S, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing the driver's seat by pulling up on the lever at the front of the seat. Then move the seat forward and move out of the slot to remove. Now disconnect the battery by removing the screw from the negative battery connections and disconnect the negative cables. Next, turn the two knobs counterclockwise to remove the grille from the vehicle. Continue by removing and keeping the two screws from the side of the bumper. Repeat on the other side. Then remove the bumper from the vehicle. After this, remove 4 screws from the factory bumper and remove the front plate of the bumper. Then remove 2 push pins from the top of the bull bumper. Now remove 4 screws from the bull bumper and remove the bull bumper from the vehicle. Next, remove 2 screws from the center hood to remove the center hood panel from the vehicle. Continue by opening the center dash storage lid to remove and retain the 2 screws. Then, disconnect the USB port wiring and lift the center storage out of the dash. If equipped, remove the front tweeter speakers by removing the 2 screws from the A-pillar cover. Now, remove the tweeter hooks from the A-pillar cover and disconnect the tweeter from the vehicle. After this, set the tweeter speaker aside. Next, move the A-pillar cover up to the ROPS tube. Now, remove the dash by removing and keeping 2 screws from the dash panel. After this, remove and keep the screw from the dash side panel. Repeat on the other side. Next, open the glove compartment by lifting it upward and remove and keep the 4 screws from the interior of the glove compartment. Now, remove the center control panel. Pull on the top and bottom edges to disengage the 4 mounting tabs. Then, pull the dash panel out and up to remove from the vehicle. To install the winch, begin by finding the 2 hooks on the rear of the winch assembly. Now, find the slots in the front frame piece. Continue by putting the winch assembly onto the vehicle by fitting the hooks into the slots. Next, attach the winch assembly using the 2 provided screws in the upper mounting locations and 2 screws in the lower mounting locations. Torque to specification. After this, install the harness by removing and keeping 1 fastener from the front fascia bracket. Remove and keep the bracket. Now route the harness along the radiator shroud. Attach the shroud using edge clips. Then route the harness above the shock absorber and attach it to the suspension bracket using edge clips. Use cable ties to attach slack areas of the harness to the chassis. Next, locate 4 mounting holes from the contactor box at the front side of the body tub. Install the contactor box using 4 screws and torque until fully seated. Continue by routing the harness through the grommet at the front of the vehicle. It may help routing to remove the grommet and slide forward on the harness. Then reinstall the grommet. Then locate the pulse bar at the front of the dash area. Connect the harness to the pulse bar. After this, attach the positive and negative harness connections to the pulse bar using 2 nuts. Torque until fully seated. Now attach the harness to the vehicle frame using an edge clip. Next, install the front fascia bracket and torque to specification. To install the winch switch, begin by removing the switch hole cover from the chosen switch location. Continue by routing the winch control harness through the switch opening. Next, install the winch switch into the switch opening. Make sure the wires do not become pinched and the switch clicks into place. Now, connect the winch switch harness to the main winch harness. To install the winch cover, begin by putting the bumper on the front of the vehicle. After this, attach the bumper using 4 screws and torque to specification. Then, install the winch cover on the bumper using 4 screws and torque until fully seated. Continue by installing the grille by turning the 2 knobs to lock the grille. To reinstall the dash, place the dash in the vehicle frame by pushing forward and down to engage the tabs on the underside of the panel. Then, align the mounting tabs at the top and bottom of the center audio panel and push the panel into place. To install the wireless remote holder, use 2 screws and tighten until fully seated. Polaris recommends installing wireless remote in the location shown. Wireless remote can be installed in any desired location. Now, place the wireless remote into the holder. Next, loosely install the 4 cap screws to the inside of the glove compartment. Torque to specification. Then, close the glove compartment. After this, loosely install the cap screw to the inner dash panel. Repeat on the other side. Then, loosely install the 2 cap screws in the top of the dash panel. Torque all screws to specification. Now, place the dash storage in the dash opening and connect the USB port wiring. Attach the storage bin using 2 cap screws and tighten until fully seated. Close the storage bin. If equipped with tweeter speakers, connect the tweeter to the vehicle audio harness through the dash hole. Continue by moving the A-pillar cover down the ROPS tube. Now, install the tweeter hooks into the A-pillar cover holes. After this, install the A-pillar cover to the vehicle with 2 screws. Next, install 2 screws to the center hood panel and torque to specification. Continue by connecting the negative cables to the negative battery terminals and torque to specification. Then, test the winch to ensure proper operation. Finally, install the driver's seat by placing the front seat pivot into the mounting slot. Tip the seat back to lock into place. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.